Hello everyone, let's talk about something really important, your amazing smile. Taking care of our teeth is a big part of staying healthy and happy. Think about all the things your teeth help you do every single day, like munching on crunchy apples and showing a big cheerful grin to your friends. To keep them strong and sparkly, our teeth need a little extra help sometimes. This is why visiting the dentist for a professional cleaning is such a brilliant idea. Making this visit a regular habit, perhaps once a year around December before the new year begins, is like giving your smile a special treat and a health boost all at once. Making that yearly appointment is a fantastic goal to set for yourself and your family. It's a bit like taking your car for its annual service to make sure everything is running smoothly. Your teeth work very hard for you, and a yearly checkup ensures they can keep doing their job properly for a long time. It's a chance for a dental expert to have a good look inside your mouth and make sure everything is in tip-top shape. This simple visit can stop tiny problems from growing into bigger, more ouchy ones later on, which is something we all want to avoid. Many people think that if their teeth don't hurt, then everything must be perfectly fine. But sometimes, little problems can start without any pain at all, hiding away where you can't see them. A dentist is like a tooth detective, trained to spot these sneaky clues before you even notice them. By going for your cleaning every year, you are being proactive and taking a brilliant step towards maintaining your overall health. A healthy mouth helps contribute to a healthy body, and that yearly visit is a key part of the puzzle, ensuring your smile stays as bright as you are. So, let's make a promise to our smiles. Let's decide that once a year, we will book that important appointment. It's a wonderful habit to get into, just like brushing your teeth before bed. It shows that you care about your health and want to keep your pearly whites in the best possible condition. Think of it as a yearly celebration for your teeth, a special day where they get the expert care and attention they truly deserve. This simple action is one of the best gifts you can give to your future self, ensuring many more years of happy, healthy smiles. Now, let's dive into what happens inside our mouths every day. Whenever you eat or drink, tiny bits of food and sugar can get left behind on your teeth. These leftovers are a super tasty meal for tiny invisible germs called bacteria that live in your mouth. As these bacteria feast, they create a sticky, colorless film on your teeth called plaque. You might not be able to see it easily, but it's there, quietly building up. If this plaque isn't cleaned away properly, it can cause all sorts of mischief for your teeth and gums, which is why we need to be vigilant. This sticky plaque is the main culprit behind cavities. Here's how it works. The bacteria in the plaque produce acids after they finish their sugary meal. These acids are strong enough to attack the hard outer layer of your teeth, which is called enamel. Over time, these acid attacks can create tiny holes in the enamel. If left untreated, these tiny holes can get bigger and deeper, forming a cavity. This is what we call tooth decay, and it can sometimes be painful and lead to more serious problems if it's not sorted out by a dentist. Of course, you are already doing a great job at home by brushing your teeth twice a day, and maybe even flossing. This is super important and is your first line of defense against that sneaky plaque. Brushing helps to scrub away the plaque from the surfaces of your teeth, and flossing gets into the small gaps between your teeth where your toothbrush can't quite reach. These daily habits are absolutely essential, and you should definitely keep them up. They disrupt the plaque party and help keep your mouth feeling fresh and clean every single day. However, even with the best brushing and flossing, plaque can be very stubborn. It can build up in hard-to-reach places, like along your gum line or in the very back of your mouth. Over time, if this plaque is not removed, it can harden into something called tartar, or calculus. Tartar is much harder than plaque, and is impossible to remove with just a toothbrush at home. It acts like a rough surface that attracts even more plaque, making the problem worse. This is where your friendly dentist and their special tools come to the rescue. So, what exactly happens when you go for your professional dental cleaning? It's actually a very straightforward and helpful process. When you sit in the comfy dentist chair, the dental hygienist or dentist will use special tools designed to give your teeth a super deep clean. They will start by gently scraping away all of that tough, hardened tartar that your toothbrush at home can't remove. This part is called scaling, and it's one of the most important steps in preventing future problems, as it gets rid of the hiding spots for bacteria. After all the tartar and plaque have been cleared away, the next step is polishing. The hygienist will use a special spinning tool with a soft rubber cup and a gritty paste that tastes a bit like mint. This process buffs your teeth, making them feel incredibly smooth and shiny. This isn't just to make them look nice. The smooth surface actually makes it harder for new plaque to stick to your teeth, giving you a head start in keeping them clean. It's a wonderful feeling to run your tongue over your freshly polished teeth. During this visit, the dentist doesn't just clean your teeth. They also perform a very important checkup. They will carefully examine your teeth, gums, and your whole mouth to look for any early signs of trouble. This includes looking for cavities, checking the health of your gums for any redness or swelling which could be a sign of gum disease, and even checking your tongue and cheeks for any other issues. Finding these things early makes them much easier to treat, which saves you from discomfort and more complicated treatments down the road. This professional cleaning is a powerful preventive measure. By removing the plaque and tartar that cause decay and gum inflammation, you are drastically reducing your risk of developing cavities and gum disease. Think of it as pressing the reset button for your oral health. You leave the dental office with a completely clean slate, making it easier for you to maintain a healthy mouth with your daily brushing and flossing. This visit is your secret weapon in the fight for a lifelong, healthy smile, and it empowers you to stay ahead of any potential dental woes. Not visiting the dentist for regular cleanings can unfortunately lead to some serious problems. When tartar is left on the teeth for too long, it can irritate your gums, making them red, swollen, and prone to bleeding. This is the first stage of gum disease, called gingivitis. If it's not addressed, it can progress to a more serious condition that can damage the bone that holds your teeth in place, and in the worst cases, it could even lead to losing teeth. Regular cleanings are essential to keep your gums healthy and strong, providing a solid foundation for your teeth. On top of gum problems, skipping your dental visits gives cavities a perfect chance to grow. A tiny spot of decay that a dentist could have fixed easily might grow bigger and deeper, eventually reaching the sensitive inner parts of your tooth. This can lead to a painful toothache, infection, and the need for more complex procedures like a root canal. No one wants to go through that. Regular checkups allow the dentist to find and fill cavities when they are still small and simple to treat, saving you from future pain and worry. So, how can you be a superhero for your smile every day? It's easy. First, make sure you brush your teeth for 2 minutes, twice a day, using a fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride is a mineral that helps make your tooth enamel stronger and more resistant to acid attacks. Second, don't forget to clean between your teeth every day using dental floss or interdental brushes. This removes the plaque and food bits your toothbrush misses. And third, try to eat a balanced diet and limit sugary snacks and drinks that bacteria love so much. Ultimately, making that yearly dental visit a non-negotiable part of your routine is one of the best things you can do for your overall well-being. It's not just about avoiding problems, it's about actively taking care of yourself. A healthy smile can boost your confidence, help you enjoy your favorite foods, and let you share your happiness with the world without a second thought. So, I encourage every single one of you to book that appointment. Make regular dental visits a habit for you and your family, and keep that brilliant smile shining brightly for years to come.